Okay, that's pretty much it. This Uber Turbine wheel cover is totally clean in all the nooks and crannies. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to clean your wheel covers on your Model Y Juniper Tesla to get them super clean, and I'm going to show you the product I'm using, the different tools I'm using to get them clean, and how to do it. So let's get to that right now. So these are the Uber Turbine 19-inch wheel covers by EVBASE, and I'm going to show you how easy they are to clean. Now, let me tell you about the solution I'm using. It's one wheel and tire cleaner in my foaming bottle here. It's a manual pump foamer. Just so you know, everything I'm using, you don't have to take any notes, will be in the description below. And then you're going to need a couple brushes. Some are optional. Now your small brush, always keep a dedicated wheel brush. That's why I have mine in black for all the small nooks and crannies. You're gonna have a wheel brush for the rubber, and that's gonna be much more coarse to really scrub down the rubber on the tires. I happen to have a larger face brush for the wheels to get it done faster. And then if you want to, you don't have to, this is optional. You're gonna have a barrel brush like this, excellent barrel brush, very effective. Get in between every single spoke here. And of course, you're gonna want your pressure washer gun like this one, which has a swivel, and this amazing attachment here. So you get that really nice even spray pattern. It's gentle. Now you don't have to use this if you don't have one, that's fine. You can use your standard garden hose. That's gonna be work just fine. So we're gonna start with the tire completely dry. I've already got my bottle all pumped up, and we're just gonna spray it down. And I'll just do the inside of the wheel arch as well. Now, you can let this sit as long as you want, or as short as you want. You can do it in any order you want. Just make sure you do it in an order that you're gonna remember where you've been and where you're going. I happen to like do the outside in. So I'm gonna do the rubber first, and then I'm gonna do all the interior pieces here with the smallest brush. I'll do the face, and I'll show you what the optional brush that you can do if you want to do the barrels. So when you're using the tire brush, make sure on this coarser brush, you're not, I'll try to zoom in here, you're not compressing it down, because the bristles just get smushed and they're not effective. You're gonna use light pressure to make sure you want the tips to get into all the nooks and crannies on the tire, on the face, you know, all the lettering and things like that. So we're gonna start, I have to do one swipe on the inside, strike the product a little bit better. And we're not using a ton of pressure, but the bristles do the work. You don't have to go around that off, that's too many times, okay? And then, if you want to, you can prime your brush. They've already been primed with solutions, I don't have to. And now I'm gonna go into all the nooks and crannies that we know a larger brush will never get into, okay? So this is not gonna take long. These Uber Turbines by EVBASE are very easy to clean. Don't forget, right over here, to keep track of where the valve stem is. Get into that little cranny. And we're almost done. You see this does not take long. Okay. Now, let's do the face. On the larger brush, a little twisting and spinning action here, and I like to radiate from the inside out. And we've already done the small nooks and crannies, so we don't actually need to worry about that. Some radiating in to out and just twisting a little bit. Okay, so the wheel and tire is pretty much done. Now, if you want to, you can use this barrel brush to get in between every spoke to get further in, like this. Just keep in mind, you don't have to do this if you don't want to. This is totally optional. Now, using our pressure washer gun with this amazing tip, we're just gonna rinse. Oh, lastly, I forgot to do this. Let's just do the inside of the wheel arch. It's kind of like brushing your teeth. In, out, and around. Okay, now all we have to do is rinse. I love this gentle flow. Look at the gentle flow. It's great. Okay, that's pretty much it. This Uber Turbine wheel cover is totally clean in all the nooks and crannies. If you have any questions, be sure to comment below, subscribe if you like this kind of content. There's more to come, especially when we're working on our Tesla, which is an amazing vehicle. See you on the next video.